Hello everyone, today we will be looking at Sigma Computing tutorial, Spreadsheet Power BI Made Easy. Here are steps to be followed. In today's business environment, data plays a crucial role in decision-making processes. The challenge, however, lies in extracting meaningful insights from large volumes of complex data. Traditionally, business intelligence platforms require specialized knowledge, making it difficult for business users to access and interpret data effectively. Sigma Computing is revolutionizing this landscape by combining the power of traditional Scratch tools with advanced BI features. With Sigma Computing, you can turn complex data into actionable insights without needing to rely on a team of data specialists. This tutorial will guide you through Sigma Computing and how it can help you harness the power of data in a simple and accessible way. What is Sigma Computing exactly? Sigma Computing is a cloud-based business intelligence for BI and data analytics platform that provides a spreadsheet-powered approach to data analysis. Unlike traditional BI tools that often require coding or specialized knowledge to analyze data, Sigma leverages the simplicity and familiarity of spreadsheets, making it accessible to business users who may not be experts in data science. Why should we choose Sigma Computing? Spreadsheet familiarity. One of the most significant advantages of Sigma Computing is its user interface, which mimics the look and feel of spreadsheets like Excel or Google Sheets. This eliminates the need for specialized BI training or a deep understanding of complex BI tools. You can get started with data analysis immediately, thanks to the intuitive and familiar interface. Real-time collaboration Sigma allows multiple users to collaborate in real time on data analysis, ensuring that everyone is working with the most up-to-date information. This collaborative environment helps teams work together efficiently and make data-driven decisions faster. Advanced analytics. While Sigma keeps things simple, with its project interface, it also offers robust analytics capabilities. Users can perform complex calculations, aggregations, and visualizations without relying on IT or data specialists. This is particularly valuable for business users who need quick insights on their decisions. Direct cloud data integration. Sigma integrates directly with popular cloud data warehouses like Snowflake, BigQuery, and Redshift. This means that your data is always up to date and you don't need to manually export and import data to work with it. With Sigma, your cloud data warehouse is your source of truth. Let us get started with Sigma Computing. Sign up for Sigma. The first step in using Sigma Computing is signing up for an account. Sigma offers a free trial, so you can explore the platform and see how it fits your needs. Simply visit the Sigma Computing website and click on the Sign Up button. You will be prompted to enter your work email address and create a password. Once you've created your account, you'll be taken to your Sigma workspace, where you can begin connecting your data and exploring the platform's features. Step 2. Connect to your cloud data warehouse. To get started with data analysis, you will need to connect Sigma to your cloud data warehouse. Sigma supports several popular data warehouses, including Snowflake, Google BigQuery, and Amazon Redshift. Here's how you can connect to your data warehouse. From your Sigma workspace, you need to click on the Connect button. Select your cloud data warehouse from the list of supported platforms. Follow the prompts to authenticate your connection and configure the integration. This will involve entering your warehouse credentials such as API keys or login credentials and selecting the specific database or tables you want to work with. Once your connection is set up, Sigma will pull in your data and make it available for analysis. Explore your data. After connecting to your data warehouse, you can begin exploring your data. Sigma's interface is similar to a spreadsheet, so navigating and exploring the data should feel familiar. You can filter, sort, and aggregate your data using simple spreadsheet formulas and functions. For example, if you want to see sales data over time, you can use a pivot table to group the data by date, product, or other categories. You can also apply filters to focus on specific subsets of data, such as sales from a particular region or product line. Sigma also allows you to perform advanced calculations and aggregations. You can use formulas like sum, average, count, and others to calculate key metrics. For example, you can calculate the total revenue for each product category or find the average sales per customer. Build visualizations. Once you have explored your data and identified the key metrics you want to track, you can create visualizations to better understand the trends and platforms in your data. Sigma Computing offers a range of visualization options, including bar charts, line graphs, pie charts, and more. To create a visualization, simply select the data you want to visualize and choose the appropriate chart type from the toolbar. You can customize the charts by adjusting the axis labels, colors, and other properties to make your data easier to interpret. Share and collaborate. To share a report or dashboard, click on the Share button in the top right corner of the interface. You can send an invitation to colleagues via email or generate a shareable link that anyone with access can use. You can also control who can view or edit the report, ensuring that sensitive data is only accessible to authorized users. In addition to sharing reports, Sigma allows you to leave comments on specific data points or charts. Sigma Computing features and tips. While Sigma Computing's interface is designed to be simple and intuitive, there are a few advanced features that can help you make the most of the platform. Formula Builder. Sigma Computing has a built-in formula builder that allows you to create custom calculations using a wide range of functions, whether you are calculating percentages, creating conditional formulas, or aggregating data. The Formula Builder makes it easy to perform complex analysis without needing to write code. Data Blending. Sigma allows you to blend data from multiple sources. For example, you can combine data from your sales database with customer data from a different source to gain deeper insights. This feature enables you to create comprehensive reports that incorporate all relevant data points. Scheduled refreshes. Sigma Computing supports scheduled data refreshes, ensuring that your reports and dashboards are always based on the most up-to-date information. You can configure the refresh frequency, for example, daily, quickly, to ensure that your data is always current. Access control. Sigma offers granular access control, allowing you to define user roles and permissions. This ensures that sensitive data is protected and that only authorized users can view or modify specific reports and dashboards. Custom dashboards. Sigma enables you to create custom dashboards that combine multiple visualizations in a single view. This allows you to track key metrics and monitor performance in real time. Dashboards can be shared with others, making it easy to collaborate and share insights with stakeholders. And that is all there is about Sigma Computing Tutorial 2025, Spreadsheet Power BI Made Easy. Thank you so much for watching. Please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. We hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.